this flower is dried, so I'm going to cut these branches and going to make a cuttings as well. And at the same time, whenever you cut the old flower, it will produce more flower. So yeah, here I successfully cut the branches. Yes, it is. So I'm going to put it now. I'm going to remove the old flower as here from here as well. Yes, it is. That's it. So here is the cutting. So as you can see, I'm going to place it now. Nothing special, I'm just place it just beside it a little bit of here, so that it become grow up properly and get enough sun. Yes, that's it. There is no big deal about it. You just put it in the soil and it will develop very soon. Initially it will be a little bit of dull and dried, but it will be absolutely all right in future. Let me show you the same plants. See, here is another cutting and it is absolutely all right, and it is okay. So it's going to be a full plant as well. So yes, this is the same way just now I did the cuttings. Hopefully it will be grown and will bloom one day. I'm going to cut this color. So it is another color. I love to do it, so I'm going to cut it from here. Let me show you the difference, the color difference. Why I'm telling you that I wanted to make the different color of more flowers. I hope you can see, guys. It's different from this one. This is lemonish and this is yellow. So I'm going to place this one into difference of this one as well. So just place it in the same way. Just take it and press it down in this way. Yes, it is. It needs nothing, no rooting hormone and all. Usually it developed in winter very easily. You can give root hormone as well, so that it can be successfully 100% give you the result, but eventually it is giving you the result if you just cut immediately and fresh cut, just put into the soil. Otherwise it can be problem. If you cut it and press in very later, then it can be a problem. So this is my marigold cuttings propagation. Hope you like it and you're going to try as well. So see you in the next day. Bye.